That's my theme for this spring. Don't overthink it. Now, let's see. Hi folks, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, so here we are with another fun project for you to do. And this one is kind of an something we did years ago with kids. And my friend Leia, who just went off to college this year.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, made a canvas that I wanted to keep, but she wouldn't let me have it. So I've been trying to recreate it for the last 12 years, and I haven't gotten there yet. So at any rate, it's just kind of combining some different things. And also Miss Kate usually does our painting projects, so I'm gonna try a painting project this time. So first I found an old canvas and I painted over it. I did that off screen so I had a chance to dry. So I did a little ombre, I found some paint. I wanted to stay in the same color family of like greens and blues and springiness. But you could paint anything on your canvas, and you could paint over an old or dirty canvas, which is what I did. Then I taped it off and I painted it with white, and I took the paint off and I got this, which is, Leia, it's not yours, but it's getting closer. And the really funnest part is when you pull the tape off for the big reveal. Now I just took tape. You could use the blue painter's tape. This is just regular masking tape. And I found when I did this one, I curled it around the edges. Don't do that because it made it a little harder to take it off. So I'm not going to make it like a grid. I'm just going to do a random taping of my canvas. And you might need scissors.
Yes, but remember, masking tape is paper tape, so if you rip it like a piece of paper,
yeah, if you go on the edge and sort of, you could rip it and then you could put it down like that. And then you just want to make sure you press it down so that the paint doesn't seep in the edges and you don't, like I kind of have some decent lines there. All right. Don't overthink it. That's my theme for this spring. Don't overthink it. Now, let's see. Like that. I'm almost done.
Okay, that's
Kind
good.
of fun with this. I'm going to go in there like that. And I feel like that is covered enough. Now, I found tempera paint. I put it in here. Tempera, just regular paint, and a paintbrush. I'm using kind of a stiffer one because I want to make sure I cover it. And it's a little bit thick. It's really old paint that I found. But
Okay.
old paint gets to be used too. Okay.
And it could be a different color
Oh,
too.
yeah.
It doesn't have to be white.
Yes, you could use whatever color paint you want.
That would be fun also.
And you'll see it doesn't completely cover. I think that we do sometimes like black lines on things, and I thought, hey, it's spring and I'm feeling light, so I'm just gonna paint it like that. This is actually really, really fun. And then you get at the end like a reveal, which is, I'm excited for that. Okay,
You
so
always love a good reveal.
I know. I don't know, I just feel like this is one of those projects that you're taking something, it could be a new canvas, it could be a piece of cardboard, it could be a regular piece of paper. It doesn't have to be a canvas. I just used a canvas. If I was in real life, I would wait for this to dry, but I'm too anxious and I want you to see what happens when we take the tape off. So then you're going to carefully grab the edges of your tape and start taking it off. Oh my goodness. Miss Kate, could I have a drum roll, please? Oh my gosh. Just carefully. Maybe it's best if you look for which ones are on the top or the bottom, but it doesn't really matter. Look at that. It's so satisfying to take the tape off. Okay, there you are. So there you have it. It's a way to try paint in a different way. Oh, this one's a little darker of the white, but at any rate, I just like them both. Oh, they could be companion pieces, Miss Kate, on the wall.
Oh, yes.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you for joining us today. It was really fun to see you again and hang out. If you do anything like this, send us a picture because we like to see what our friends are up to.
Love it.
Okay, take care. Bye, friends. See you next time.
Bye.